you did.
Achha, one question was doubt, which I've already discussed in the last class, that one, right?
No, sir. There were two questions in which one you finished, one is still there.
Achha, one is there. I just searching in that one. I was not able to find that. 1 minute. I just in WhatsApp only, right? In the same PDF, two parts you have sent. Two.
Yes, sir.
You have sent the question two parts or a single part only?
Two parts, sir.
Achha, different parts. 1 minute.
Yeah, it wasn't taken one case, sir. Right.
See here, I have received one only. This mentioned that question number 19 in this. That page is having question number 19.
That we finished, sir.
And you told question
Yeah.
number 6 also, right? Question number.
The one. Yeah, 6 you did finish.
See in Hania, it's not there in WhatsApp. I just check once. It's not there in WhatsApp, I think. Because after the EU Nihar has sent, and before that you have sent. 6 question is not there here.
Yeah, I think it didn't go. Just okay, sir. Can I WhatsApp you?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Fine. You can do that, yeah.
Sir?
Yes, you can WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp.
So today class is till 9 o'clock, right?
Huh? What happened?
So today class is till 9 o'clock, right?
Yes. You have sent, Hania?
No, sir. I'm just sending it.
So who and all joined till now? Satvik, Sai.
Sir, I did just send it.
Oh, yeah, I received.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I'm sharing the screen now. You can able to hear me, children, properly? You can hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, the question is like, Hania's question is, in the given figure, equilateral EDC, equilateral EDC surmounts square ABCD, surmount a square ABCD. It means that one square is there, right? One square is there. Here you are having one triangle on the top. Okay. So then what they have given? Find the value of x. If angle DEB is equals to x degree, find x. So here question is like A, B, C, D, E. Then from here to here you just match this and this two, all sides are equal, all these three means all the sides of quadrature are also equal. All four sides of the square is equal, you know, and again this is equilateral triangle. This part is x, this is given as x degree. So what is the value of x over here? Find the value of x. So see here, all of you who can solve this? Anyone who can solve this? Satvik, Saritvik. Anyone who can solve this question?
Yes, sir. Right.
Try once, all of you. So in this question only you know that this is 90 degree, 90, 90 and 90. Okay. Ninety, 90, 90, 90. This angle is 60, right? This angle is 60. This angle is 60 minus x. This angle is also 60, correct?
Yes, sir.
So see what you can do from this. Yes, who was telling you can do that? Who was telling? Saritvik, you or Satvik? Who told you can do that? Just try once. Saritvik, who was saying? Saritvik or Satvik?
Sir, trying, sir.
Try. If you are not able to do this, tell me. I'll just do here. Pulastya, try this question. Question number 6. Pulastya,
Okay,
try this question. Question number 6.
it's
Here
find x, right?
yeah, you should find x over here. DEB is equal to x. You should find x over here.
Okay, let me try.
So what does surmounts mean?
Surmount means sir means you don't know. Sir means your head. Means on head it's mounted on that.
Okay.
Okay, children, if you're delaying, I'll just do this question if you want. Still you want to try, Pulastya?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Trying to do it.
Okay,
Sir, is
fine.
x the whole angle E?
No. The whole angle is 60 degree now. Whole angle is 60 degree. Right.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Wait, I think I wait. I think I found the answer.
What is the
Is
answer
it
for this?
45 degree?
I don't know. Hania, it's correct. 45 degree.
I got 45 degree.
Okay, let me check. Hania, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
See, Hania, what we can do here. Let me check. Pulastya, I think you are
I
correct only.
added the 60 and 90 in the
Yeah.
C plate,
Oh,
in the C
yeah.
part,
Correct.
and I
So this
got
whole
15,
angle
15,
become, yes, correct.
and 60 minus 15 is 45.
So this is
Yes.
150, right? This, if you see this
Yes.
triangle, if you see this complete triangle over here, this triangle, this side equal to this side, what have we written here? So you can write here in triangle ECB, EC is equals to what? CB, both are equal. So we can write here angle E is equals to what? Angle B, and we can write here angle E plus angle B plus angle C is equals to what? 180 degree. Angle E and angle B both are same only, right? So just let this be 60 minus x, we have let in right angle E. The 60 minus x plus 60 minus x plus 150 is equals to 180. So 60, 60, 120 minus 2x plus 270, right? 150, 270 is equal to 180. So minus 2x is equals to minus 90. The x is equal to 45.
So one question.
Huh.
Where did we get the other 60 minus x?
We have let before only now here. See E, here we let here 60. This whole angle is 60 only. The first part is x. The other part is what? 60 minus x only, right?
Yes, sir. But here you have written 60 minus x plus 60 minus x.
Because see, angle E is equals to angle B. This is like isosceles triangle.
Oh, okay.
See, it become isosceles triangle, no? If you see this.
Yes, sir.
Becau-
Understood. Understood, sir.
Because the side of equilateral and your square part is what? Same only.
Yes, sir. So EB is the base, right?
What EB?
Sir, of the triangle is ECB.
Yeah, ECB only. Yes, I've written here
Okay,
now
sir.
in triangle
Yes, sir.
ECB.
Understood, sir.
Any more doubts, children? If you are having doubts, just message me. If you are having any more doubts in this, I'm not asking to on the camera anybody today. Let me check who is going to on the camera today. Just only Sai Ritvik I can see. That's it. That time onwards. Any more doubts? Hania, any more doubts are there?
No, sir.
Satvik. Then what do you want to do to children today? Again, Sai Ritvik, Pulastya. See, this is the doubt of Nihar's. What he has sent. This doubt was of Nihar's. I don't know. He is not there today. We'll do this question when he comes. No, then we do this question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have tried. Pulastya, this question you have tried. Last class we are doing in the last. I got stuck in this, right?
Sir, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat?
I'm saying this question you have tried. You know this question. Last time I was solving this question, but I got stuck into this. So I told Nihar to just solve in the next class, right?
And I'm just reading it.
Yeah. Any other chapter you want, Hania? Any other chapter which you are feeling like any difficulty such? So just 1 hour we do that only if possible. Any chapter you are feeling difficulty, just keep on sending and just solving over here. Pulastya, if you are having any doubts in your textbook, maths, you can just ask your doubts now.
Okay.
Hania, which chapter you are feeling difficulty, Hania?
Sir, now none of the chapters are shown. So,
Satvik, Sai Ritvik, which chapter are you feeling hard? Tell me.
Sir, I need to check. Sir.
Huh?
The surface area volumes.
Surface area and volumes. Okay, anyway, you are having it next, but we have done last class. We have done, actually we finished this whole chapter actually.
Yeah, sir. It's just I can do it on myself.
Hania, surface and volumes is good for you.
sir, I actually we didn't start with it yet, but yeah, I can use the lesson plan.
But you can do, okay. Hania is not having any doubts. Pulasti, are you?
Not right now.
Sai Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any chapter? That surface and volumes part you told, okay, anyway, we do that now only, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Satvik, you?
Sir, I need to check.
Huh?
Sir, I need to check.
I'm not getting your voice exactly. Anyone can repeat what Satvik is saying?
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but tell me what you're saying. I'm not getting that.
Sir, I'm saying I need to check. Sir.
I need to check. Okay. Okay, fine. Now what Sai Ritvik is telling that surface and volumes, just go from the starting ones, huh? Surface and volume part. Let me just this surface area and volumes. Okay, what is volume of cuboid? Cuboid volume. What is the volume of
L
cube?
into B.
L into B. Volume of
Into
cube.
H.
L into B into H. Or we can say area into height, correct? Area into height. This is a volume of cuboid. What about your LSA, lateral surface area of cuboid, and total surface area of cuboid? What is this? Anyone knows what is it? Lateral surface area? Pulastya knows this, I know, because he was answering me last class also, right, Pulastya?
Can you repeat? Like,
What is lateral
oh,
surface area of cuboid? Lateral surface
yes,
area of.
yeah.
Sir, 4 sides.
It's length times breadth times height. Oh no, it's not. It's I mean, it's like the area of all the sides added together. 2 times the area of the front side and 2 times the area of the
And this is also known
left
as
side.
this is also known as area of 4 walls. This is also known as area
Sir,
of
4 sides. Right?
4 into side is for cube, not cuboid.
No, sir, I'm saying 4 sides.
So which 4 sides?
4 into L and
4 into
Yes, sir, 4 walls.
yeah, area of 4 walls. That I'm asking you. What is the area of 4 walls?
L into A.
L into B. You think where you're sitting at the room, no children. So they just think that one length you just take, and the wall area will be one height will come into picture, right? Suppose I'm taking 2 type of walls. What you are sitting in the room, this is your front wall, okay, and this is your side wall. This is your let's see on the board here. This is the front wall and this is your side wall, okay, children. So in front wall, what you can do is this is your obviously this is will length and this is height, correct? For the side wall, if you see, this is your breadth and this is your height. This is clear to everyone what I have written here.
Yes, sir.
2 into L plus A. H.
This is clear, Hania. Tell me, this is clear to you what I have written here.
Yes, sir.
So what is the area of this front wall? What in front of wall? What is the area of this wall?
L into H.
L into H. What is the area of side wall?
B into H.
B into H. And the same wall is repeating 2 times, front as well as back. Correct?
Sir, then 2 into
So
HL
2
plus
times
BH.
and 2 times. So here if you see what is common in this two, 2H and bracket L plus B. We should add this both, right? So 2 into L plus B into H you can write. Or better, this is easy way trick to remember is this, we know perimeter, right? Perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle into height is nothing but area of 4 walls. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So area of 4 walls is nothing but perimeter of rectangle multiply by height is nothing but LSA. What is TSA of the wall? TSA will be, what about TSA?
2 into LB,
2 into LB.
BH in LH,
Okay, BH.
like whole bracket.
Yeah. 2 times everything is repeating over here. And same way for cube also you can tell me cube. So volume of cube is a to the power 3.
Four.
LSA is 4.
Sir,
A
4
square
A.
and 6a square. Here a is the side. Okay. So these all are the things. Okay, tell me the area of this one. Total surface area of a cube only. Okay. Cube only you tell me. Total surface area of the cube. This is a cube. And you should find the area. I'm not asking TSA or CSA. You should find the area of the cube in which it's open box. Open means your top part is open. Top part is open. What is
So
the
then
area?
pi A square.
5a square.
5 is
In case of cuboid, what will be the area? In case of cuboid, what will be the area for this? In case of cuboid,
So it will
so
be
your voice is breaking.
2. So it will be 2L plus B into height plus 1 plus down. So,
plus what?
So could you
L.
See what I'm saying, that area of the cube you tell me 5a square if it is top is open, right? Now I'm asking if this is not cube, this is cuboid now, then what is the area of the same box if it is a cuboid in which top is opened?
So it will
2
be
into
LS. So it will be
H plus
LSA plus
LH.
LH.
All of you type in the chat box, children. Let me check. All of you type in the chat box. Sai Ritvik and Satvik, both of you on the camera. Why Sai Ritvik? Why you off the camera again and again?
No, sir, I was just trying to on it, but it went off.
Oh, trying to get it on.
Yeah, sir.
Satvik,
Yes, sir.
all of you write in the chat box, children. All of you write in the chat box.
So what should we write?
See, you should write the cuboid formula. I just asked everybody. Cuboid in which surface area of the cuboid in which top part is not given to you. Top part is opened. So here who has done correctly? LH. Satvik, why you are writing LH in bracket? When it means adding why LH? Your basement is LH.
No,
Pulastya is correct. Sai Ritvik is also correct.
what is the sir? What is the correct answer?
See, you have written, you should only extra, you should add LH, LB, sorry, LB you should multiply extra because totals LSA, lateral surface area you have found, right? Lateral surface area I have done and multiply, add, what you should add in that? LB.
Sir, you're not presenting.
Yeah, it got disconnected, 1 minute. Net is very slow. Actually, message coming from that day only, no. Last class, from last class only, net is so slow. We're just suffering a lot here. It's not happening only.
Sir cannot see the
Yeah, 1 minute is coming. Now you can see.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay, fine. Okay, so see this one is, now you can hear, you can see the screen now.
Yes, sir, we can see.
sir.
See, for cuboid, open on top. So answer will be 2 into L plus B into H plus LB. What everyone has done correctly. Means except one or few people, I think one child. Okay, now we are just talking about cylinder. You know cylinder formula? Tell me about cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder?
2 pi
2 pi RH.
2 pi RH. Two pi RH is wrong. Volume is something else. Tell me, what is the volume?
Pi R square H.
Yeah, pi r square is the correct answer. Pi r square H. So see, you just remember children, volume is nothing but area into height, you know, right? See, this cylinder is like, you know, cylinder is like this one, okay? Once again, I'm just doing
I
this.
swap.
Yeah. Now cylinder is like this. So here circle is there, no? The circle is repeating again and again. If you write the, if you just put the plates on the top plates, round plates. Round plate, round plate, round plate, round plate, it will become cylinder, right? So area of one circle is what? Area into height. So what is the area of one circle? Pi r square and multiply by h. That is your volume. Means what you are keeping inside this cylinder, that is your volume. What about CSA, curve surface area? Who will tell me? What about CSA? CSA of the cylinder. Anyone?
So 2 pi RH.
How? 2 pi RH?
Sir, because we don't count the circles and we count the.
What is 2 pi r here? Sai Ritvik, what is 2 pi r?
So 2 pi R is the circle.
Circle.
Circum.
Circumference of what?
So the cylinder.
Cylinder. Only 2 pi r I'm asking, not 2 pi r h.
Circle.
Circle.
Of the circle, sir.
So 2 pi r, and if you multiply by height, you will get the
Curve
CS.
surface area.
Yeah, and here one more thing easily to remember is, if you know volume pi r square h, 2 you just bring in the front side. 2 pi r h you can write, okay? 2 this part you can just bring in the front. So 2 pi r h. Next is TSA. What is TSA for this? What is TSA? So this is your cylinder. What is CSA? What is TSA? Tell me fast. Tell Sai Ritvik. Satvik, I'm removing you, okay? You are the guy who is simply coming and sitting. You're not speaking at all. Why you're off? What is the problem you are having? Sai Satvik?
Sir, no.
Tell Sai Ritvik, you want to say something? Tell.
So 2 pi r h, h in the brackets, h plus r.
2 pi r h or 2 pi r only?
Yes, sir, 2 pi r, sorry.
So how it is happening? See, listen children here. In CSA part, your only side part is your 2 pi r h. This side part is there, no? Means you can say cylinder part, curved part of that cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r h. But this top and bottom part is still pending. So in this part, we are adding those also. We are adding that also, okay? So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, because two circles, the 2 pi r square multiply by 2. 2 pi r square multiply by 2. So here what is common here? 2 pi r is common, and h plus r you can write, okay? Is it clear? So next part, next which section you are having with you? Next. Cylinder is over. Next surface. Cone you are having, you know the cone. See, cone is nothing but, if you know the volume of cylinder, your cone is just 1/3 of the cylinder volume. The cylinder volume is pi r square h, okay, and you should divide by 3 to get the volume of cone. So pi r square h divided by 3, okay, pi r square h divided by 3. Curved surface area is pi r l, and total surface area is pi r l plus pi r square. See, what is L and R? Try to understand here. This slant one, this slant height is nothing but L. This is known as slant height. What is written here? Slant height. H is the lateral height and R is the radius. So this is like your what? Right angle triangle. You can think about right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, you will have L, H and R, where L is the longest side, H is the only height, R is the radius. If two things is given to you, you can find other thing also. So what is the formula of H? Tell me, Satvik, what is the formula of H over here?
Sir,
What is the formula of H over here?
The height.
H is the
R square
R square
minus L square.
minus L square. Means small thing.
I think L square minus R square.
Yeah, L square minus R square. I am asking H. It means that L square minus R square. I should write here root over here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because square
So
I'm not.
why?
Square I'm not writing here. Now I removed the square part. That's why you should take root. No, Hania. If you not write square. If you write square, then it's fine. See, if you write here square, not a problem. If you write only h, then you should write root over L square minus R square. It's clear, no?
Sir, is h also called the altitude of the the cone?
Altitude, listen, altitude is always at 90 degree, always straight. Altitude. The L is like slant height. H you can say height, or you can say altitude if you want, you can say, not a problem. Altitude will not come in this 3-dimensional. What altitude will be there?
Okay, sir.
This is height, you can say. Altitude also you can say, no problem. And remember, altitude and height, whatever the things are there, that is always 90 degree from the base. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is clear to you. And one more thing here, you are having two formulas, pi r L you should write here for the curved surface area. Total surface area you are having pi r L plus pi r square. Okay. Pi r L plus pi r square. Here, why we are adding pi r square, you already know, because in total surface area, your one circular part is getting added up for here, right? One circular part is coming into picture, right? See this one circular part. So we are adding pi r square into to find the total surface area of cone. So total surface area of cone is CSA plus area of circle. So pi RL plus pi r square. Do you have any doubts? Any one of you? Next part of it is cone is clear. This is a part of 10th class. Frustrum, don't touch right now. Okay. So we'll do few questions first. Sphere and hemisphere will do formula. I'll just tell you later on. This one, just do first question. So this already have done. Do you want to do questions based on surface area and volumes, children? I mean, quiz you want to do based on surface area and volumes?
Yes, sir. Will do.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
See, remember, children, don't do for marks and all. If you're having doubt, take the screenshot over there and we'll solve in the class only. Okay. Don't skip the question. Don't go behind the marks. Try to understand the concept. If you're not getting, take the screenshot and ask the questions after the test, means after the quiz. Okay. Is it fine? Pulastya, Hania? All right.
Yes, sir.
All of you join.
Joining.
So everyone joined. Only 3 people joined till now. There are one more. Who is pending still? Okay. All got fine. Take your time, children. Take your time to do. If you are not getting the question, take the screenshot and just you can share with me on WhatsApp also, not a problem right now. Okay. Those who are doing mistake, children, don't forget to take the screenshot.
Sir, I lost 1 mark in one question. I'm getting doubt in that.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I've sent you my doubt screenshot on your personal WhatsApp.
Sairatvik, your doubt is volume of the given figure, right? Your figure is
Yes, sir,
like,
I know the volume, but the problem is I didn't tell which figure, so I lost a mark.
so here all the formula is based on that length into breadth and height only, no? All the formula.
Yes, sir.
So first one is the correct answer, LWH. In base, either instead of base, they're writing here this one, what we can say, on means width they have mentioned, LWH, width they have
Oh, okay,
mentioned.
sir. Understood, sir.
Anyone else having doubt, children, can just message me if you want.
So that volume of cube is 27, and that one I'm having doubt.
See, volume of cube is 27 means a cube is 27, so your side will be 3. Satvik.
Yes, sir.
Then whatever they will ask in the question, you can do
So then
accordingly.
they ask surface area.
The surface area is 6a square, so 3a square is 9, and 9 6 are 54. That's it. Understood?
So, but they didn't mention any surface area, so like LSA or TSA.
If they didn't ask any surface area, curved surface area or total surface area, you should find total surface area only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else have?
Sir,
Say.
find the volume of the figure 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 6 centimeters.
Multiply. Simply multiply, you'll get the answer now. Length, breadth, and height, right? LBH. Simply you should multiply only, no? Volume is what?
Not that. Actually, this one, yeah.
Hmm.
Find the volume of 14 into 4, 6, I don't know what.
Yeah, 336 will come, right? That answer.
Oh, I multiplied it by.
Anybody else? Pulastya, you got any answer? You also did wrong so many questions, right, Pulastya? You also have done mistake, no? Pulastya. Okay. Other
Yeah.
quiz. Similarly, children, if you're not getting the questions, take the screenshot and send accordingly. Okay. You can just try
I think there
to
was some question with like inch, like the measurements
inch.
of the
Yeah,
things
yeah.
in inch. That
Inch is
thing I
no
got
problem.
wrong.
Inch is, inch is
The
the.
inch and then the answer has to be in centimeter. I tried to convert it, but I got the wrong thing.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine. Next one. I'm just finding it out. 1 minute. Children, take the screenshot and send me on WhatsApp. That is a better option. Okay. When you're having doubt and all, that is a better option when you send me on WhatsApp so that I can solve here itself. Join once again.
So this is also surface and area and volume, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Same only. Sai Ritvik, join fast. Sai Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
join fast.
Yes, sir.
So it ended quickly.
Yes, sir.
So I didn't even complete the question.
Yeah. So,
Yes, Hania, what you're saying? Tell me.
so the quiz ended.
Yeah, that was not out of syllabus. No, that's why I just closed the thing for you itself. I closed purposefully. I'm sending once again. This different quiz because
Okay, sir.
that was out of syllabus. No, what was there? Everything. You got
I
syllabus.
don't know, sir. First question was normal surface area.
I don't know because I've checked 3 questions first. Now see the latest question I've sent to you right now. Latest one, just try once. All of you join for this. Satvik has joined. Saritvik, join fast, join fast. Saritvik, you're joining.
Yes, sir.